Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm doing something I've never done before and I'm excited about this. It's going to be simple, straightforward. I'm going to show you my kits that I'm going to use during the month of October. This planner lineup kind of video is definitely not my original idea. I've seen lots of people doing it, and two that really stand out to me that I always watch are Planners and Tacos and Chan Plans, or Chandler Monroe here on YouTube. So I just want to give them credit for this, and I'm excited to do this for you guys. I kind of wanted to show you both my plum paper and my memory planner, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to speed through this one because I don't really have a solid plan when it comes to my plum paper. I just use whatever I'm feeling for that week. So here's what I have to work with, and I'm just going to mix and match and just go with my gut on what I want to use each week. But I have some really cute stuff from According to Allie, these two sheets, which kind of go together. So I think I could use these over 2 weeks. Comfy and cozy. Then I've got Haunted House on transparent paper, pumpkins, and the orange alcohol ink. Then I've got this from Shameless Stickers. This is a little sampler sheet that I think is absolutely adorable. It's so fun, and I'm just excited to throw in some of these. And then these two sheets from According to Allie, I've already kind of dipped into back in September, but I have plenty on this sheet to use it again or in different spreads. And then I've got the rest of the fall quotes. So excited to use all of those sometime in October. Now let's get into my kits, because this is the real fun part. So let me show you my monthly kit for October. I do monthly highlight videos in my plum paper, so I will do this at the end of the month. This is the Sanderson Sisters kit from Jessica Hart's. I was super drawn to this artwork and the colors. I just think it's really fun, and it just gives me like fun, spooky vibes. So cute. I really like how dark it is, and I think it's going to be really like beautiful in its own little way. I did get the overlay, so here is the gold overlay for this kit, and it says, "I put a spell on you and now you're mine," in October. I think it's going to look really beautiful. So that is my monthly kit for October. Then let's get into my kits in order. I don't know if I can do this every month because I don't always have a solid plan like this when the month starts, but here we are. This is the Pumpkin Patch Collection from the Crafty Banana Kit 1. So it is the scene kit. I've used this kit before. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. And we're going to the pumpkin patch this week, so I'm excited to use this. It's got really beautiful colors. I love this like burnt orange. Here's the deco. Brianna's banana. I love the plaid too. I think it's super pretty. I'm a sucker for plaid in the fall. So this is a big kit, and I won't use all of it, but I will use quite a bit. I kind of want to color block this week according to the glitter, or the headers, the date covers, sorry. But I think it's going to be really pretty. I also got the squared off boxes here, and here is the freebie that came with the kit. Then I have this really fun kit. I always like to use a variety of different kits in my memory planner. I don't go with like a specific theme. So this is completely different, but I'm excited to use this from See Amy Draw. This is the Makeup Murder Vertical Kit, and this is based on Bailey Sarian here on YouTube. I love her, and I think this is going to be just a super fun kit to use. I really like those stickers. Suspicious. There is a pink version of this, but I was totally drawn to the purple. Now the only weird thing is that I'm going to have to like just figure out what I want to do is the bottom washi. So it's thinner and it's two different kinds. So I think I'll pull in like some kind of washi to make up for that, but I'm excited to use this. I think it's going to be really fun. Okay, next up is this kit from Sadie Stickers called Trick or Treat. It's really beautiful, and I'm so excited to use this. It's got rose gold foil in it. It's a photography kit. I love how different all of my kits are, and this one is just so pretty at the same time as being fun. I love her method of foiling. It's so beautiful. So we've got some icons up here, a lot of boxes, and then some layering pieces and some headers. And then I love the bottom washi. I think that's so cute. And then I added on this decorative sheet here just for my sidebar, and I really like the boxes to add into this spread. So I really am looking forward to using this kit. And then for the week of Halloween, I have this one from Caress Press called Hey Witches. It's so cute. And I'm so happy I picked this one up. It's very different from a lot of the Halloween kits out there, mainly the color scheme. I just think it's so cool. Living for this yellow, and I love the pale pink with the, it's just so cool. I love it. This is gorgeous. So here are the full boxes, and then here are the extra boxes. She always has excellent boxes. So I don't know how I'm going to pick all of these. They're just so cute. And then we've got this color scheme, which I love. I really like the mix of the colors and the patterns in this kit as well. The bottom washi looks really cool too. It makes me want to use like some silver foil with this, I think. Love that box. And then the deco is so cute. And I think I'm going to have to use this across the top of my spread. I like those little boxes too. Oh, it's just adorable. Love it. I'm really excited for these kits. Let me know what your plan is for October. Are you going with a specific theme? Are you doing all Halloween? Are you doing all fall spreads? What you doing for October? Let me know. Also, if you liked this video and you want me to do these again, definitely give it a like or comment down below if you want me to do one for November and maybe even just like the holiday season. I don't know. We'll see. But I thought this was a fun, quick video for you guys to see all of my spreads for this month. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I'll see you next time. Bye!